Hi students, next continuation, that is haloform reaction mechanism. Student, I will give simple tricks. Student, haloform reaction mechanism. So now take the example, that is acetone. Student, acetone react with, as a haloform, that is I am taking chlorine. When acetone react with chlorine in the presence of NaOH, it gives, that is chloroform CHCl3 plus CH3COONA plus NaCl plus water. This is a simple trick. In this haloform reaction, how many moles of chlorine involved? 3 moles of chlorine involved and 4 moles of NaOH involved. So here 3 moles of chlorine and 4 moles of NaOH we get, that is 4 moles of NaCl and 3 moles of water. This is the simple trick. I will give simple mechanism. I will explain clearly. I will explain, that is step by step. That is when acetone react with chlorine in the presence of NaOH to give chloroform plus sodium acetate plus NaCl plus water. Next, now take the mechanism. Now take 1 second. Mechanism. In this mechanism, 1 second. In this mechanism, first step, now here, now take the acetone, that is CH3COCH3. This acetone having 2 alpha carbons are there. This keto group, this CO group beside alpha carbon, this alpha carbon containing alpha hydrogen. Generally, this alpha hydrogen is always more acidic nature. Here 3 acidic hydrogens are there. These I am taking only one acidic hydrogen. In this first step, taking only one acidic hydrogen. This acidic hydrogen react with NaOH, that is base. Generally Na plus plus and OH minus. Student, in this first step is water is elimination. Student, water is elimination means, that is this bond breaking, this H plus is breaking, this bond breaking, here bond breaking, this bond shifting towards carbon side, this carbon getting negative charge and this hydrogen getting positive charge. Here in this first step is water is elimination. Student, so we get, that is product is CH3 then CO then CH2 minus. Why? Because of this H plus is breaking here. This what about this alpha hydrogens are more acidic nature, so that's why this acidic hydrogen react with OH minus, we get, that is water. That is water is elimination in this first step. Here how many moles of NaOH are involved? In this first step is only 1 mole of NaOH is involved. We get, that is CH3COCH2 minus. Then after that, now what to do, student? Now after that, now take the here 1 mole of chlorine, that means chlorine Cl2 means I am writing like this Cl2. Take the 1 mole of chlorine. We get, generally this chlorine in between one single bond is there. This single bond again shifting only one side. This carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. This is partially positive and negative. So bond breaking. Here this positive charge means positive species means electrophile. This electrophile will attacks, that is negative charge side. This positive charge will attack negative charge side. We get, that is product is CH3 then CO then CH2 then Cl. Once again, student, here in first step is NaOH involved, water is elimination. Student, we get, that is CH3COCH2 minus is formed. After that, here take the 1 mole of chlorine molecule. This chlorine molecule again bond dissociation, we get one is positive and one is negative chlorine. This positive species means positive chlorine ion, that is will attacks CH2 negative side. We get, this product is formed. Student, then after that, now what to do, student? In this step, student, you remember, student, in this step, here again take the 2 moles of NaOH, again take the 2 moles of NaOH and take the 2 moles of chlorine. Student, it is very most important. Student, in this step take the 2 moles of NaOH and 2 moles of chlorine. So what happens, student? That is Na plus plus and OH minus, but this compound having 2 alpha hydrogens are there, remaining 2 alpha hydrogens are there. These 2 alpha hydrogens replaced by, that means this OH minus plus H minus water and OH then again water, that means 2 moles of water is elimination. Student, this hydrogen is replaced by, that is this hydrogen is replaced by 2 chlorines, but here taking 2 chlorines, again these 2 chlorines will attack they attack on carbon side. That means simply remember, student, these 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 chlorines. So we get, that is product is, that is CH3 then CO then CCl3 is formed. Once again, in this step, here take the 2 moles of NaOH and 2 moles of chlorines are involved. Here these 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 chlorines. 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 chlorines, and we get that is trichloroacetone is functional. This trichloroacetone is function. This trichloroacetone, after that, now what to do, student? This bond shifting towards here, we get that is CH3, then CO minus, this carbon getting positive charge, and again CCl3. Then after that, remaining already here also 1 mole of NaOH involved, here 2 moles of NaOH here involved, and remaining 1 mole of NaOH is left. So in this haloform reaction, total how many moles of NaOH involved, student? 4 moles of NaOH are involved. So here in this step, 1 mole of NaOH here involved, 1 mole of NaOH here, and 2 moles of NaOH here, and remaining 1 mole is left. That NaOH will involve, that is this Na plus plus and OH minus. Again, student, this OH minus will attack, that is positive charge side. This OH minus will attack this positive charge side. We get that product is, student, that is CH3, then CO minus, then OH, then CCl3, student. Then after that, in this step, now what to do, student? In this step here, this bond shifting towards here, this bond cleavage in between carbon and chlorine, bond cleavage in between carbon and chlorine, this bond, this negative charge will shifting to here. So we get that is CH3, then CO, then OH, plus remaining, what about this compound, student? That is CCl3. That means this bond cleavage here, this carbon getting positive, and this positive negative will form a bond, that is double bond. This CCl3 minus will be function, that is CCl3 will be minus this function. Thus generally we get that generally this acidic hydrogen, this acidic acid giving H plus. So this acidic acid giving one H plus, O minus and H plus, this acidic acid giving one H plus, this H plus will combine this CCl3 minus. We get that is CHCl3 plus remaining, that is CH3 COO minus is there, student. This remaining, this hydrogen will combines with CCl3 minus. This CCl3 minus is converted to CHCl3, that is neutral compound will be formed. Then after that, remaining, that is CH3 COO minus is there. This CH3 COO minus react with here, one Na plus is left, student. This here only one Na plus is left. This Na plus, only one Na plus is left. This Na plus will react with this CO group, CH3 CO group. We get that is CH3 COO-Na. This is the final production, that is in this step, that is haloform mechanism, student. Here 3 moles of chlorines are involved and 1 mole of NaOH involved. This is very most important, student. 3 moles of chlorine and 4 moles of NaOH. This is very most important in competitive exams also, student. So in this first step, student, that is when acetone react with the acetone having 2 alpha hydrogens are there. After these 2 alpha, the acetone having 2 alpha carbons are there. These alpha carbons containing alpha hydrogen. In this first step, student, 1 mole of NaOH is involved. This NaOH is the Na plus plus and OH minus. This OH minus taking 1 H plus. We get is water is elimination, student. This carbon getting in this step is CH3CO CH2 minus, that is nucleophile. This carbon getting negative charge is there. Then after that, in this second step, student, this is first step is NaOH involved. Remember, in first step is NaOH involved. In second step is chlorine is involved, that is 1 mole of chlorine. We will take the 1 mole of chlorine. This chlorine in between one bond is there. This bond shifting complete only one side, one carbon getting, one chlorine getting positive charge, one chlorine getting positive charge. This positive species will attacks always negative charge side. We get that is CH3CO CH2 Cl. So this is the second method, second step, student. Then after that, in third step, student, in third step here, take the 2 moles of NaOH. In third step, take the 2 moles of NaOH and 2 moles of chlorine. At the same time, student, here 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 chlorines, that is nucleophilic substitution and elimination addition reaction. So it is this step is called in this step, that is nucleophilic substitution and elimination reactions participating, student. So here 2 hydrogens are in this step, that is 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 chlorine. We get that is CH3CO CH3, that is chloroacetone. CH3COCl, that time is called chloroacetone. When chloroacetone, again this bond shifting towards here, this oxygen getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge. Then after that, remaining one NaOH is left, student. After that, one Na, out of these 4 NaOH, one NaOH is left. This NaOH again ionization, Na is positive charge and OH minus negative charge. This OH minus will attack this positive charge side, we get this product. Then after that, student, this negative charge will shift to here, that means this bond breaking in between, that is CCl3 is bond breaking. Why? Because it is withdrawing, CCl3 is strong withdrawing, so that's why this bond breaking. This carbon getting negative charge and this carbon getting positive charge, so that's why this negative charge and positive charge will combine to form a bond, double bond. We get that is CH3COOH. Then after that, CCl3 minus is left. This CCl3 minus is, that is the strong nucleophile CCl3 minus. Here this OH, generally acetic acid giving one proton, this proton H plus, acetic acid giving one H plus, this H plus will combine with CCl3 minus, we get that is chloroform, and remaining is CH3CO minus is left. This CH3CO minus again react with Na plus. What about this Na plus, student? This Na plus is taking from Na, after ionization of NaOH, this Na plus is left. This Na plus will attacks, this is negative charge side. This Na plus combines with negative charge COO group, CH3CO group, we get that is sodium acetate is formed. This is the simple mechanism of haloform mechanism, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like, please don't forget, student, please click on like. Thank you.